Jessica, we're so used now to this dry weather, the possibility of now some rain.
Yeah, but it's not much, so we don't need to stress too much about it. But let's start off with today because it is a beautiful day. We're still dealing with a little bit of that marine layer left over. If you're heading out to the waterfront, the Embarcadero, or maybe you want to head over to the Marina Greens, it's beautiful and it's mild for us today. Cool and calm conditions across the board. Daytime highs really maxing mostly in the 50s and 60s throughout the Bay Area. A big difference from yesterday, but I want to dive into this weekend so you can kind of have an idea of what's to come. Heading into Saturday, it's mild, partly cloudy skies across the board. The timestamps now heading into Sunday, where we see a quick low pressure system sweep its way throughout the Bay Area. This will bring light scattered showers for everyone, but it's a quick moving system. And once we head into Monday, we're back to dry conditions across the board. So not too much of a change by any means, but I will say this, heading into Sunday with that game right around the corner, if you're heading to your favorite bar, if you're heading over to a friend's house to watch the game, just make sure you have those layers handy. It's going to be chilly. We're sitting just around the 50s as we head into Sunday. Once that area of low pressure moves in, it's also bringing in some cold, dense air behind it. So temperatures next week as we kick off, they're going to be significantly cooler. And you also notice that up in the Tahoe area too. I mean, today, tomorrow, mild 40s, but notice how we jump down to the 20s as we head into Sunday. So if you have a ski trip planned this weekend, keep that in mind. You're going to want to maybe bring that extra shell just in case. By next week, it does clear up though on Monday. Luckily, that's how we're starting off next week. We slowly start to warm up into the upper 50s at that point, heading into the rest of the week, but it's mild across the board. So like I said, just a splash of showers for Sunday. We'll keep you updated on that. But for now, back to you.